Chitariki 15 cy'umutenyi oikomi omwancho muri tukolia Jumapili asentunda ende na ndiaragire Ensa Eyemo tokomerana asembeo imegeta seniki ya Ndizi TV asende no gosembelinga kurubwa kitu no gento kabukwegokia nemerobeli yetu atogenda tukabuto kwariganiria imegeta seniki ya Ndizi TV Ensa Eyemo nikiorokerenga twanyera kabuto kwirigani bene kurwa semesa ya Amayia elikwendeke buna twanyera kabuto komanyinganya ko bagwateka kurubwa kete goikira chinga kibuna echimagega ya Josephat melimora kubwa ekemina no kelia kia Budapest asanyala takoba gakobwa ase chimberu je chimita 53 lizikulia lero ngigo yalinge omoyega omonene kigima ase constituency ya Nyalibali Masaba ase skuru yo bwali imeyegodi echuni magega yo mugavana naboigo abarai abanyara ko bagwikirana somoyega boko mwariganinga Josephat melimora ngatianda mange togeto kwariganira emaragoba ya bono ngo kwarigana nyara ko bogosanga amona integura nande asekero getarige tambire nyara ko ba etokomanya ne amonae Kuyasanga amona intugetera senchira Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera ase enchira area ya YouTube Ndizi TV News retera nengoro kwa Josephat Amisi olitokobotera na rekona kibune liogine chibicho cya guchira senchire wikiraniga kuro kwa abigari nyanja mato kwaligania senchire wikiranu onyare koba gogo sanga amona intwe maragoba ya bono nyora boigo kera litukolia Jumapili ligotogo chitwasanga amona bagani ababwata manga bakunyara koba goerera nagakogera somorogoba obono togo sanganere omwe msebwe ward yabugika Richmond Manani no mweshimiwa oyo tenete ase ward yabugika naboigo omunyakerogo anene bwege koro ime county ya Kisii gose ase county assembly ya Kisii ase committee yonere ole omunyakerogo naboigo omunyakerogo bwechigosori imeye county eyo ya Kisii na mangi torachiko batogo kwanera ase wiki eye yanyara ko begweta ndwaranga Ensa yanyara ko bego chengera lituko liege koro naboigo lituko lya lego lenge omuyega omonene tunyara ko kwanera mange ine county government ya Kisii isebura ibwai Paul Simbarati merobelikia nyare ko bege kubeka kwena kiabuna egekoro kyanyare ko bege gusirwa nabuyo kwena kiabuna chigosori ime county ya Kisii cyanyare ko ba chigosirwa asenchira yoboikerano togo chaka Amayia kurwa ase county ya Kisii nigo nyara ko ba omuchengo omonene anene gochia ase amatenenga ya Josephat melimora unyara ko baga kubwa amaminyoko yechi mita 53 ayanya takobaga kora gokorekana asensemo ya Budapest kati ya barai bali banyara ko bagwikirana asomo yego ibo kumwira yo kumwariganinga Josephat melimora no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati onyara ko ba gako ukwanera abagusi anena ko bagane banyara ko bagutumia chitaranda gusibiga byabo bya elikoneke bura banyara ko bakogendera asena kwegenderia sobogima abwabo bwakira lituko boigo nigo Paul Simbarati anyara ko bagotanga na chiko baga kuagacha anene eskuru yokwena na amaigerio yechigosori ase ensemo elia gose wodili echuni eligo chengera anene emerobelio emiya nabo igogo korokuya ase chinsemo chegosori echo melimuranya liko baga koromosaki oito milde mumanya nyara ko bagikirana ase ensemil nagena to bago twaliganiria robot yoru asenchira robo ikirano korende turaligireria ali nyara ko baga kogendera ase ensemo elia echuni.
It is an exciting moment to welcome home our athletes, champion Melimora, having conquered the world in the 800 meters race during the World Athletics Champion in Budapest, Hungary. The scope of revamp and upgrade various sports grounds throughout the county. We will seek to upgrade this sports ground at Obwari, even as we explore need to establish a full-fledged stadium at Gusii. Once complete, we can honor our heroine by naming it after her. At Nyantrago, we will establish a sport complex to be utilized in training our upcoming sportsmen and women. I'll follow up with the Ministry of Sports, National Government, on the quest to establish a sports academy in this area. They had conducted a feasibility study to that effect 3 years ago.
Bono na bana ngokulira. Tabu echwara. Amasomo mbuya ndolokana masomo. Aboko mnya kwa wasome. Aboko kole biashara ande wasome. Colegio, lakini sports to basa go surrender. Try as much as possible to know ndio bwadi.
Oroboti urumwancho murigere musakyo itomerere mu manyi nagena toka bakorugeralia senchire boikirano chinga kiranya rakoboro boikirana gantu nyara ko batogosanga amonaye nagyakogera emarago ya bono tobwate omwe MC Richmond manani uyotenete amangane chigosori nege korotera nyara ko batogosanga amonere anene ayalingete umuyega welitko lyarerekerengeri kyao kirabo kenga chogwetera senamba yesimina boigo gwetera ase mitandao togoska mutebuna enchira Eyemo yokorwania ogoncholie kwelire bono nigo eserikali e county ya Kisii bwaterana amona ba MC kuruchi wodi aao banyarako bakwene kibuna bachakire omorobire bogo simeka emete gati yabo emete ya matunda sichikuru aao ile kwene kiabuna anene lira lyanyareko bali gosirwa nabo kwene kia buna bana boyo banyareko baba kwenyorera amatunda buna yagorwa ase emete asali tukolya ni go MC bwe woda area yabo mbaba borabu oyo kuruka bitis karubo anyarako bakora omuyego ya sichikuru aao imeya ewodi yo musakyo ito Amayia Brighton Makori na nyarako bagwikira na sense mijina gutwarigana roboti orwa century yoboime.
County ya Kisii niendete kubika mirubelio ya bene erikwene kuna menyibe county ya Kisii ngosimeka baremede anene asu gusimeka meteli ebwata matunda na gochiokonya jiskuru gochiasa matuko alibosyo kaukwana asiwodi yaye ya bombaba borabu ebunge amachoge borabu county ya Kisii mwemusi we wodi yo Petrus Makwae nibono aereire iguru yomurobelio oyo
muna moigura bali muna abana bakwanire ibiko bali no magoka sengenje turi ase school ekurukunga Kemoleko primary school asengenje yo gosimeka fruit trees emete twairwe korwa county korwa seke gante ekurukunga climate change muna mumanyete lira lyeito lira lyense lyabaire libe tugwenete gosimeka emete menge Wone county ya Kisii asengicho ya mangana ayu ekaranga telimete ya kawaida ekoleta iko yaletire mete ya amatunda nyakoranda avocado amatunda morora amatunda sipi make elinde tosimeke ase omugondo omonene ole skulu ya Kemoleko asengicho yokorenda amangana yelire bono kwa niaba ye skulu eye ya Kemoleko primary kwa niaba ya balimu n'abanafunzi n'abayibulitora eba kuyireneria county government nga mbiyamono asengencho yoko chole skuru eye ngemete yesimekwe aroro
baigo nigateruna inerenchira yamo yokorenda ebintu birutitanaine no kurwani go change kwelire.
The conditions of our climate has changed, so what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to plant as many trees and fruits as possible so as to improve the climate. Most of the counties do plant these exotic trees, but as a county we have decided to plant fruit trees as they will be conserving the climatic conditions. The pupils of the school will be benefiting from eating the fruits which will come out after the planting.
Umwarimu manene we skuru ya Kemoleko ase meteyanyardia kwananwa Abraham Murebu na bwataya okwana.
Matunda ni kitu cha muhimu kwa watoto wetu, kwa wasasi, kwa kila mtu, maana inachunga health ya binadamu. Ndio sababu tunashukuru serikali kwa kutuchagua na kupanda miti ya matunda hapa shule yetu. Pia ningependa kusema ya kwamba serikali yetu ya county kupitia Mheshimiwa Simbarati walitusaidia darasa la ICT, lakini kwa sababu shule iko na watoto wengi zaidi ya 1200 pamoja na watoto wa junior secondary wako 125, tunaomba Beatrice achukulie hii mambo, abebe hii jukumu, achukulie gavana wetu wa Kisii County ili akuja angalie kupitia hii population shule yetu iko katika mto, katikati ya mto, na hii mto itaweza chukua watoto wetu. Tunamuomba ya kwamba akuja angalie shule, atutengeneze bridge ya kupita kuenda maratulini ya watoto wakitoka darasani. Na hii tukijua hali ya kiangazi vile inaendelea na El Nino imetangazwa, Tunaomba serikali wakuja haraka kabla ya hiyo rinino kuingia, itasaribu maisha ya watoto wetu hapa shuleni. Asanteni.
Inero emirubelio county ya Kisii yabekire insi y'obuteneri bw'omugabana bwe county Paulo Simbarati erikwenda kibuna emetengo simekwere asorongo rwa Gusii. Ngoriboti rigeta seni Ndizi TV eridariane Brighton Makoli.
Mbemano mosaki oito bamwana maya Brighton Makori asoroboti urwa senchira yobo ikiranu togosuka motwe ni gobono omuraibense Dr. William Ruto anyareko bago ikirana imeya ense moya Beijing gotoka imense ya China ase taro ya matuko atatu are motwe nentunda entanganike gima ase omuraibense William Ruto kokora etaro ya bene gochia ase ense ya China magayere koira obogambi bwense anene imense ya Kenya gati yabo boigoni Muraibense akagera kwa bakomirana amono Muraibense yense yo ya China Xi Jinping elekwanike buno nyale kwa bakobeka emeroberi a ya magendro noko bwatana gati chinse echibere. Togosuka motwe nere omokonyi bo Muraibense Rigathi Gachagua nigo ikirana asomo yega bwa masabo oyore nyara kabo kolekana sensemo ya renguruoni imeye constituency ya Kilgore sika kwana kurwa sensemo eyo nigo Rigathi Gachagua anyare kobaga koena na okoboko gosego sira enkwana elia gosege tambukiro ya serikali ya Kenya gwanchira na buna nechikobe koena na abanyanyimbo baye ochia senseli ya Haiti likweneke buna banyane kobaku bwaterana mona abanyanyimbo bande eliokoleta omulembe senseme yokolengana Gachagua nigatebire abanyanyimbo bense ya Kenya niko babwate obumanyi boisaine nabo igo baranyara ko bakwira libagaline na kweneke buna banyare ko bakwira ni omulembe senselia ya Haiti.
Polisi wetu wa Kenya wametambuliwa ya kwamba ni officers who are professional ambaye wanaweza kuaminika kwenda kusaidia wenzao katika dunia. Na hii Haiti kama hamjui, watu wanakaa kama mimi ama nyinyi. Sote ni watu weusi. Sasa tukisikia watu wetu wanaumia, si labda walitoka hapa siku ya slave trade. Si tuende tuwasaidie. Na askari wetu are professional, and that is why the United Nations Security Council has identified the National Police Service of Kenya as ideal force to go and assist in keeping peace. Juu ya hayo tuko na experience sana ya kuweka amani katika duniani.
When we get the request for approval, as you approved in cabinet this week, for approval and consent from the National Assembly and Parliament for deployment of our police officers to the country of Haiti, we shall consider all matters that shall come before Parliament and be able to take into account all the concerns that the people of Kenya have raised, because in Parliament we represent the people and we address their concerns.
Gati ya baraiboiga wanyarako bawikirana somo yego ibwa masabo ime county ya Narok no mugabana we county eyo Patrick Lentutu uyira libagelio na koerera gati emerobele serikali ya county ya Nyarako be kwenekia buna ya irire elio gosira abamenyi be county eyo wanyarako bakwegenderere na boigo ikirani chire cha magendro ao nigo Lentutu antebire anyarako bagako bwato gosobisia ya Nyarako be ko bwato gachibesa ao chichiwo deli kwenekia buna chipara na boigo chisemi cha Nyarako bachigosirwa senchira yobo ikiranu.
Hii county tumeshikilia vizuri kabisa, na kazi ile ambayo tumeanzisha ya county integrated development plan hapa county sub county hii ama Kilgoris constituency nimewapa milioni 600 kila ward, wamepata shilingi milioni 100 ya kwenda kuketi na kupanga mpango yao kwa kila ward, na nashukuru kwa sababu hizo projects hizi, most of the projects are 70 to 80 to 90% are complete. Na ndiposa nataka tu nichukue nafasi hii niambie wananchi mfumulie kidogo, bado zingine hasikuwa zimekamilishwa lakini tutakamilisha. So kama tunaongojea national government waje wape pamoja na sisi, lazima sisi kama county government tuendelee tushikilie serikali yetu kuu ili tuone ya kwamba tumepeleka gurudumu hii ya maendeleo mbele. Na I can assure your excellency, watu hawa wanajua mimi karibu kila weekend at least niko na hawa kusikiza zile mashida zao.
Ogocha amono kubwatera na kurigia chinjira ao choko gayana chita bauti ime chinse ngati yebitambukiro ebiranyara ko bikoneke buna byenyere ko bikoreta omurembe ase chinse ana mangana nyara ko baga gukwana no mu prime cabinet minister Musalia Mudavadi tukuri alero mayega yo goikirana omuyego nyara ko baga gukoragwa anene na Munich leaders meeting nyara ko baga korekana somo bagani oyomo ime ya Nairobi ga gukwana kuruwa sensemeyo nigo Mudavadi boiga nyare ko baga korie irabuna Ensa ya Kenya ne chikobe kwendeke ya bwatira na mune chinse chinde elio kwendeke buna banyare ko bakoreta omurembe chinsemo se chisegi chigendrete na boigo somorembo taranyara ko goikirana.
It is through dialogue and shared experiences that we build connections, foster understanding, and ultimately find the pathways to progress. As we dine and interact, let us carry with us the inspiration to create a better world, a world filled with cooperation, empathy, and opportunity. Together, we have the power to shape a brighter future, and I am confident that the bonds formed here today will lead to transformative actions. As we gather here in Nairobi, we find ourselves at a critical juncture in history where the decisions we make will reverberate far beyond the borders of our individual nations. Kenya stands as a symbol of resilience, and today we extend our hand in unity to champion the cause of global cooperation and shared prosperity. Our nation, through the tenacious spirit of its people, has made significant strides towards sustainable development, innovation, and the preservation of our environment. Kenya, with its history of diplomacy and its strategic location, also embraces the duty of fostering international cooperation. We understand that in a world increasingly connected by technology and communication, we must work collectively to address issues that transcend borders. Kenya is committed to being a
Nere omwaziri boborendi boimeki thure kindiki nigarure ekurate entindi gochia asaba begwa bali bagendete ko baba okora obosaga ni naboigo obuibibwe tugo ndigo kindiki atebire serikali ranyare ko boge kwene kenga irege tambokero egetindi gochia saba begwa barachiko bagotoka bagendete amuno bosalia asechi county Ensa ya Kenya.
Afisa wetu kama wezi wa mifugo watatishia maisha yenu na silaha, musiruhusu hiyo silaha iwapate. Tumia bunduki na silaha ulio nayo kuangusha mkora kabla haja kuangusha wewe ambaye ni afisa wa usalama. For the avoidance of doubt, we cannot have a country where armed criminals are using guns against officers wearing the uniform of the country that we call Kenya. Hatutakubali. Kwa hivyo wewe hiyo bunduki hiyo silaha uko nayo, ofisa wa usalama, usikubali mkora kutumia hiyo bunduki kuangusha mwananchi ama kukuangusha wewe. Lazima umwai na umwangushe akiwa wa kwanza.
Tokoska motwenigo omaraibwe kia magia ODM boigo omaraibwe bomobwazimio Raila Odinga nyare ko baga kumwakera ekoko omaraibwe kia magia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka buna nigo banyare ko bakobwatera na amonere kwene ke buna banyare ko bakorigia na boigo kurwanira oboene bwa Kenya nigaya kwana lituko liarera asensemo ya bonda somoyega mbogo chengera lituko lyo koiboru aliaye omomura omwabo oburu Odinga yiboigoro omoseneta bwensemo eyasiaya au yibare ko bago chengera emiaka emerongo 53.
Niko na ndugu yangu rafiki yetu, yeye ndio Buru amealika yeye siku ya leo kama mgeni maalum. Huyu jamaa tumetembea naye pamoja, tulikuwa naye pamoja kutoka wakati ile ya KANU, alikuwa KANU huko, tukaenda naye tukaunda chama pamoja na yeye, ilikuwa inaitwa LDP. Tukaingia pamoja kwa NAK, tukaenda naye pamoja kwa ODM. Tumesimama naye pamoja. Mara mbili tumesimama naye pamoja. Tumepigana na tujashindwa. Kila mara kwa mara tumekuwa tunanyang'anywa tu. Amesimama na mizizi kidete. Hata mara hii ya mwisho hakuchaguliwa kama mgombea mwenza na yangu, lakini alibaki na sisi. Alibaki na sisi. Jamaa ana moyo. Jamaa ana ukakamavu. Jamaa ni mtu ambaye unaweza kumwamini. Yeye ni mtu mwaminifu. Yeye tena ni mtu Mkristo. Yeye ni mtu ana tabia ya ungingwana.
Chingaki echechonere omuraibwa ekiama kirike waipa Kalonzo Musyoka nigo nyarako bako batuke nkwana ya bena somo igo ibo gochengera litko lyo kobero lya Oburu Odinga ase agiyegi ase bo iganyare ko bagako yemochia serikali kubatekana na okoboro ko borendi imeyense ya Kenya kubatekana na Kalonzo nigo atebire abanyanyimbo nigo borento ko bakwene kibabekiro borendi imeyense ya Kenya ase bo iganyare ko baga kugikeria ekere tambokero kiaye omuraibwe ense William Ruto wanjira na buna abanyanyimbo bense ya Kenya banyare ko bakoikirana imeyense lya hiti elinde kwene kinga banyare ko bakoleta omorembe asensemeyo
na wao badala ya kwanza waajibike. Sasa Kenya inasema to reward kila police squad wanapelekwa Haiti. Umesikia hiyo maneno? Is it a reward kwamba umeoa watu yao? As we speak watu wanapigwa mishale Sondu. Kwa nini kwanza sort out shida ya Sondu na kwingineko? Insecurity. So we want to put everybody on notice kwamba nchi hii inatawaliwa na katiba ya 2010. Sasa hivi tunaona vile katiba inafanywa kuhujumiwa. Jana na juzi na jana watu wa Machakos County kwa mfano wameamka, wamebomolewa manyumba yao, watoto waendi wajui wataenda wapi, watalala wapi, mtihani unaanza, hawajui wataenda wapi. 3 primary schools.
Chingaki echechi boigo omugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo nigo boiganyara kobaga kugikire na komomoche omuraibwense William Ruto asige tambukiro gyogokora ebyama bya kisiasa kubatakana omurobelio oria bokoreta gosokora okubwatana kwa bene gati ebyama binyara koba bikoro cia serikali ya UDA korengana na Orengo nigatebire buna ekatiba ya Kenya ngwenanere obosibore ase byama binyara koba bigwetenere likwene kia buna byanyare koba bigwikirania amaganio ao.
I told President, let me just call him Mr. Ruto. I told Mr. Ruto when he was here, don't kill multi-party. Don't kill multi-party. Namuona kama Azimio nzima yuko hapa. In 1963 onwards, the KANU government was involved in a process of buying members of parliament. Ilipofika 1969, we had no parties to talk about. So baba, tunakushukuru kwa mstari ya mbele kuona ya kwamba political parties remain agents for fighting for the rights of the people of the great Republic of Kenya. The people's president, the whole of Kenya is behind you. And as we are in the bipartisan talks led by our team leader Kalonzo Musyoka na intellectual Opiyo Wandayi na ndugu yangu mdogo wa Malwa, we want to tell you that we are behind you fully, na yale mambo 4 ama 5 lazima zipitishwe.
Toguska motwe nigo bono komiti ye bunge gose komiti y'isemi ye bunge enene nyareko komochia ekyombekeria gyoko balika aborokia keria TSC ase gitambuko kya nyareko kwire bwango ngatike ko nyareko ko banganya aborokia abo bagenda tukoba okora emiremo yabo ase chinsemo chiria obolendi botayo gati yabo ensemo ya North Eastern kolengana na barabo nigo batebirenga aborokia egento ekene bagenda babwene tukoba kwenekeriwa anene no bolendi bwabo chinga kibagendrete amono bokoreri bwo kebuna banyareko bakwena na amaigiri gochiase aborokiwa.
Don't teach when your life is under threat. You cannot do a lesson plan. You cannot sit and attend a child when there is somebody threatening your life. You can't work. You can't even be an administrator in school because every other time you sit and work, somebody is after your life. I want to ask the commissioners who interdicted the teachers, let them try and have 1 or 2 weeks of working as teachers, because most of our commissioners are teachers, are former teachers. I want them to go to Mandera for 2 or 3 weeks, stay in the same stations, live in police cells, and also work under difficult circumstances like the teacher.
Chingaki chiboigonigo serikali yatabire ere maiso kwene kyabu na yachakire obwaga chibwe birasi gochiase chiskuru chiria anene chibwate amagacho ya maumo kolengana nabo igo chinsemo chingaki embreri niyo ekakere kwa bage gotwa nigo boigo serikali ere ase chimbero kwene kya buna chinsemo chiria anene chira chikoba chikwene kya embreri niyo chanyare kwa chikobeko se birasi byanyare kwa bikobekwa ase nchira yoboikiranu ere kwene kya buna tibira nyara kwa bikomo I
improve the quality of education, the learner participation in education, and improve the aspects that make quality education, aspects of access, such that we get our children into school, the aspect of retention. These children are kept in school throughout the cycle that they are supposed to be in that school, and they are assisted to get quality education so that they will be enabled to transition into another level of education.
We started constructions in March, and reaching 60% now is not badly off. Actually, managing a contractor you have never seen, there is a big challenge here. The contractors were awarded work and we have never met. How I wish we can even meet in a forum. The county directors or even the schools within the project and the contractor, because we have never seen him. We are even looking for his number from other people.
Nakulira eiro mwanchu murigari bunango sangatore amono mugeni oite maragoba ya bono mwemsiwe ward ya bugeka anene gukwanira mange ayarengete egekoro kyaba Gusii gose mbitambukiro ki serikali nyareko kwere county ya Kisii litkulia lero twarorenga omuyega omuneno yorenge okorekana se ensemo area ya ichuni okwa mwarigani inga omosubati melimura uyo nyarako gakobwa chimbero chiria chimia emerongo 53 aseboigo yego yunyara ko boikirani gwagati yabo mugabana be county ya Kisii omo MCA Richmond gati yago sigaro munyakiro bwe committee eliye chigoso nabwe gikoro ime county ya Kisii omanyete kurukisemo chirigaho tanga ya ture mbono kegima ncherare go chiaga ya chinga kyaranyara ko bagikaga ntanyara ko batogo sanga amona liboli lyago nabwe karanga likiago nigo kirabe kinge chigoto kogenda somutimoko omoke kegima ngwera natore asensemo ya kabere ya mayense Eyemo.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.